Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on learning JavaScript for ServiceNow. My name is Sandeep. I'm a senior ServiceNow expert with extensive experience in customizing and optimizing ServiceNow products. Today, we'll explore what functions are, how to use them with arguments. Let's get started. So, what is a function? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it as a recipe. You define the ingredients and steps. And whenever you want to bake, you just call the recipe. In JavaScript, you define a function like this. Here, greet is the name of the function. When we call greet function, it executes the code inside it. Coming to functions with arguments. Functions can also accept parameters, which are like placeholders for values you want to pass into the function. Let's see how that works. Now, when we call greet Alex, it outputs hello Alex. So you can pass different names to greet different people. And with the default parameters, you can also set different default values for parameters. This way, if no argument is provided, it uses the default. Calling greet with no arguments will greet guest by default. Now let's talk about variables in context of functions. Variables can be logical or global. Local variables are declared within a function and cannot be accessed outside it. In this code, as you can see, trying to access local variable outside the function results in an error. Global variables, on the other hand, are declared outside of any function and can be accessed from anywhere in your code. As you can see in this code, the global variable can be accessed from both inside and outside the function. While global variables can be useful, they can also lead to the problems, especially in larger programs. It's a good practice to keep variables local whenever possible to avoid conflicts and maintain a clean code. If you want to learn more about variables, look at the description below in this video. To recap, functions in JavaScript are powerful tools for organizing and reusing code. They can accept parameters, use logical and global variables, and make your code much more manageable. Drop any questions or topics you like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.